Dear students, welcome to your and our beautiful channel Maths Lesson. Today in this class, in my last class we have discussed all types of polynomials, roots of the polynomials. Today in this class we will discuss some previous year CBSE board questions. First one. Solve some questions. If x equal to 1 is 0 of the polynomial, x equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial, is a 0 of the polynomial. If x equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial, then fx is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus k. Find the value of x, of k. Sorry. Find the value of k. Look at here. X equal to 1 is 0 of the polynomial. What do you mean by 0 of a polynomial? X 1 is 0 of a polynomial means f of 1 is equal to 0. When the value of x is 1, fx is equal to 0. Put the value of x in fx, then find out f of 1. f of 1 is, put the value of x as 1. Then this is 1 cube minus 2 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus k equal to 0. As x equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Then what happened? 1 minus 2 plus 4 plus k is equal to 0. Then minus 1 plus 4 plus k is equal to 0. K plus 3 is equal to 0. Means k equal to minus 3. Here value of k is minus 3. Okay. Then next question. Next. Some previous year questions. Previous year CBSE board questions of polynomial. Fx is equal to x cube plus x square minus ax plus b. And here gx is equal to x square minus x, and gx is a factor of fx. Here the given gx is a factor of fx. What do you mean by gx is a factor of fx? As gx is a factor of fx, then this means by division algorithm Rx is equal to 0. This means remainder is equal to 0. Then we have to find out the value of A and B. Let us do the division. What is dividend? Dividend is fx is x cube plus x square minus ax plus b. Then what is the divisor? Divisor is gx x square minus x. Then look at here. This x cube minus x square. Then this is 2x square minus ax plus b. Then put plus 2. Then this is 2x square minus 2x. Then cancel. We get 2x minus ax plus b is the remainder. But according to the division algorithm, as gx is a factor of fx, this implies remainder is 0. This means rx is equal to 0. Here what is rx? Rx is equal to 2x minus ax plus b is equal to 0. Then x 2 minus a plus b is equal to 0. 0 can be written as 0 into x plus 0. Then comparing the coefficients, then by comparing the coefficients, what we get? By comparing the coefficients, we get 2 minus a is equal to 0, which imply a equal to 2, and in other side b is equal to 0. B is the constant, here 0 is the constant. Then we get the value of a and 2. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 0. Okay. Then next question. Next, let us discuss the questions of CBSE Board 2008 question 1. Write the zeros of, find out the zeros of x square minus x minus 6. Here fx is x square minus x minus 6. When we find out the zero of this, then equate the fx is equal to 0, which imply x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then put the middle factor factorizations. This is minus 3x plus 2x. X can be split into minus 3x by middle factor factorization, minus 3x plus 2x. Then x is taking common. What we get? X minus 3. Then here 2 taking common. Then this is x minus 3. Then x minus 3 is the common factor. This is x plus 2 is equal to 0, which imply x equal to 3, x equal to minus 2. 3 and minus 2 are two zeros of the fx, polynomial x square minus x minus 6. Okay. Then 2, this is also CBSE 2008 question. Here the question is asked, if x plus a is a factor of fx, x plus a is factor of fx, fx is equal to 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10. Here fx is equal to 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10. Then find the value of a. Here x plus a is a factor of this, which implies as x plus a is factor of fx, then by division algorithm we get x plus a is a factor. This means Rx is equal to 0. Here remainder, as Gx is a factor of fx, then this implies Rx is equal to 0. Then do the division. 2x square plus 2ax plus 5x plus 10 divided by x plus a. Then put 2x, this is 2x square plus 2ax. Then we get, then look at here, we get 5x plus 10. We get 5x plus 10. Then put plus 5. Then this is 5x plus 5a. Then we get, what is remainder? Remainder equal to 10 minus 5a. But as x plus a is the factor of fx, which means remainder Rx is equal to 0. As this imply Rx is equal to, here we get Rx equal to 10 minus 5a, which is equal to 0. This means 5a equal to 10, a equal to 2. Here we can find out the value of a is equal to 2. Okay. Then next question. Then another CBSE 2009. Another CBSE board questions 2009. What the question says? Find the value of k. If minus 4 is 0 of the polynomial, here given k, find the value of k where -4 is a zero of the polynomial. -4 is a zero of the polynomial fx of the polynomial fx. Here fx is equal to x square minus x minus 2k plus 2. Here the fx is x square minus x minus 2k plus 2. We have to, here given -4 is the zero of the polynomial, we have to find out the value of k. As -4 is zero of the polynomial, which imply f of -4 is equal to 0. Then put the value of x, put -4 in place of x. Then what is f of -4? F of -4 is -4 whole square minus of -4 minus 2k plus 2, which is equal to 0, as given -4 is 0 of the polynomial. Here 16 plus 4 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies 2k is equal to 20 minus 2, 2k is equal to 18, k equal to 9. Okay, then we can get the value of k. Another question of CBSE board 2010. Then here what is the question asked? If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Here alpha and beta are two zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial such that alpha plus beta is equal to -6 and alpha into beta is equal to -4. As we know the identities, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Here alpha plus beta is -6. This means this is -6 upon 1. And alpha into beta, according to the identity, this is c upon a. Here this is -4 upon 1. Then what we get? Here we get a equal to 1, b equal to 6, c equal to -4. As we know that fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then put the value of a, b and c. We find out the polynomial. Then what is the polynomial here? Here the polynomial is x square plus 6x. Here fx is x square plus 6x minus 4. Here fx is x square plus 6x minus 4. What is fx? Fx is x square plus 6x minus 4. Okay, we get this is fx here. As alpha and beta are two zeros of the polynomial and alpha plus beta equal to -6 given, alpha into beta -4 given, according to the identities relation between zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial, we know that alpha plus beta is equal to -b upon a, which is equal to -6. -6 can be written as -6 upon 1. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a, which equal to -4. -4 can be written as -4 upon 1. Here by comparing these two equations, we get a equal to 1, b equal to 6, c equal to -4. Then as we know that fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then put the value of a, b, c, we get the polynomial fx is equal to x square plus 6x minus 4. Okay. Then do another example. Then here another example. Here this is board CBSE board questions 2010. What the question says here: if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial and the polynomial is f of y given 2y square plus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0, and here given alpha and beta are two zeros of the polynomial, and we have to find out the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. We have to find out the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. According to the identities, you know, as alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomials, you know alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here a equal to in f of y, a equal to in f of y, a equal to 2, b equal to 7, c equal to 5. Then here alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a means minus 7 by 2, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a means 5 by 2. Then the question is asked, we have to find out alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Then alpha plus beta is minus 7 by 2, alpha into beta is 5 by 2. Then add this 2 is the LCM, minus 7 plus 5 we get minus 2 upon 2, which is minus 1. Then we finally get the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta is minus 1. This is minus 1. Okay. Then next question. Then here another question of CBSE board 2010. Here another question of CBSE 2010 board question. Here in the questions, if 3 is 0 of the polynomial, in the questions the 3 is the 0 of the polynomial, of the given polynomial. 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial. What is the polynomial given here? The polynomial is fx is equal to 2x square plus x plus k. Then we have to, 3 is the 0 of the polynomial, we have to find out the value of k. As 3 is the 0 of the polynomial, which imply f of 3 is equal to 0. Here, then find out f of 3. F of 3 is equal to, put 3 in place of x. Then this is equal to 0. Then this is 18 plus 3 plus k is equal to 0. Here k equal to minus 21. Today this much. In my next class we will discuss about some more questions. Like, share, subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you students.